ET Auto. Today we are joined by Mr. Pham Sanh Chau from VinFast, and congratulations on the India entry, sir.
Thank
And
you.
two product launches. What is your vision for the EV ecosystem in India? How do you want to pan out your business?
As I made clearly in my statement, India is very crucial to our mission of making this world greener, cleaner, and better for future generation. Therefore, we have designed a strategy to enter India. As I just mentioned, today we launched the car. Those cars are made in India, in Tuticorin, Tamil Nadu factory, and that will be sold not only in India, they will be exported overseas. And in addition to that, we build the whole ecosystem, which is comprised of services, extended services, dealers network, which is showroom, and also we also extended to to the policy that we have a free maintenance, which is valid for 3 years or 36,000 kilometers, whichever comes first. And we also have the policy of free charging. We are going to invest here to build 15,000 charging points.
Wow.
So all these are the ecosystem.
So as first steps, you have built a dealership network, the factory. How much you have invested so far, and what is your vision? What numbers do you want to achieve in India in
Yes.
first 3 years?
We have a commitment with Tamil Nadu government of investing 500 million US dollar for the first stage. And our long-term commitment is 2,016,000 crore. So this is our long-term commitment. And then we will continue to invest in other facilities as well. That exclude our investments in services and in infrastructure,
Right.
namely charging points.
Right. So in first 3 years, how many number of units you want to sell from VinFast? Number of units.
Let's see how the market responds to
Right.
our.
So any targets you have kept?
Yes, we
production?
try to. We have a target of 50,000 units per year for the production capacity.
Production capacity.
And once we use up all this capacity, we will expand it.
Right.
Yes.
At Bharat Mobility Expo, you showcase a large number of vehicles. You
Correct.
also said that
Yeah.
it's not just the passenger vehicles. You're gonna entry in the two-wheelers and the commercial vehicles.
Oh
as
yes,
well.
oh yes.
So what is the timeline for that?
Uh, in January 2026, we will launch the new model,
Okay.
7-seaters, and we also bring in another hill riding services here.
Right.
We're also very active in charging station installation.
Right.
We are also bringing the whole ecosystem of Vin Group.
Okay.
So we are in discussions with government of different states to build smart city, to build VinMake, to build Vin School,
Okay.
and also we are very much into green energy. So the whole ecosystem of the group, we are ready to bring in here to India.
Okay. As a first step, you have now appointed about 35 dealerships this year.
Yes.
What is the vision? Do you want to expand it further? How does the channel strategy working for VinFast?
Oh yes, as the capacity of the factory increases, as our sale volume increases, we certainly expand to much more dealer points.
All right.
We also have, we don't have the figure yet, but at some point we think that 100, 300 dealership one day, we have to achieve that
Okay.
in order to be able
Right.
to, satisfy the growing demand of EV in India.
Right. So you have been quite successful in the Vietnam as the country.
Yes.
What is your view about the Indian ecosystem for EVs? About the taxation structure, the charging infrastructure. How do you see that? Are there gaps, and where do you want to VinFast as a fill in this?
I think India is the third largest automobile market, and the adoption rate now is still modest. So the gap and the room is very big for us to fill in. That's number one. Number two, we need to work closely with the central government and the state government in order to give incentive to EV customers. I'm very happy that the latest meeting of the GST Council, they decided to keep the 5% for EV
Right.
GST
Right.
and bring down the importation of components
Components.
for all automobile industry from 28 to 18%. That
Right.
helped tremendously to push up this industry
Right.
in India.
Right. Last question on the charging infrastructure. You said you'll be giving the free charging for VinFast customers.
Yes.
What will be your charging infrastructure network looks like in next 1 or 2 years? How many charging points? How many cities?
So our objective is to build the full ecosystem of charging here in order to support the sale of the car, but more importantly, in order to help India to have a comprehensive charging infrastructure for the years to come. And we are going to install our charger in the cities, in the area where we need to build the whole ecosystem. That's the first step. And after that, we expand to from the metro city to the tier one, tier two cities.
Right. So you mentioned about you will be exporting from India as well. So how
Yes.
many countries you are looking at?
We don't look at, they just come to us.
Okay.
Yes, they came to us already.
Okay.
Neighboring countries, we are discussing now the order and the volume from Sri Lanka, from Bangladesh,
Okay.
from Nepal, from Mauritius, and from Bhutan. And we
Okay.
are trying to expand that to the Middle East and to Africa.
Thank you so much for joining us today.
Thank you for coming.